Welcome to a new way to communicate. A new source of news, information, and computer software. Introducing American Online.
Hey, with American Online, I can just point and click. Oh, wait.
With American Online, you can send and receive email, even across the internet.
Hey, I've got email. Okay, I open the mailbox. No, that's not it. No. Damn.
American Online puts you in touch with information resources all across the country.
How do you get this thing open? Application in use? What application? I can't even start any applications.
Call now for your free trial. You'll get free software and 10 hours of free online time your first month, which you can spend trying to figure out how to open your email box.
Socket timed out? What does that mean? Jesus, I hate this thing.
American Online. It's knowledge. It's power.
It sucks.
Thank you for flying AOL. The captain and I request that you quit fucking scrolling.
Thank you for flying AOL. The captain now requests that you turn off your
fucking caps!
Attention members, cybersex on America Online is prohibited, so please, just go out and get laid.
Hi, I'm the Terms of Service Advisor with America Online. No need to introduce yourself. I already know who you are. You're toast.
You've got mail. You've got mail. Pattern baldness.
AOL. All out of luck. We were SOL on AOL. Yeah!
Welcome.
I put in my password, unzip my pants to let my block me free. But nothing connected, no cybersex for me. No. America Online, I'm a geek with no life. Had to sleep with my wife, they went offline. It was 18 hours of pure agony. No kinky website to spend my weeknight. They went offline, and my Packard Bell computer lost its mind. I'm not gonna pay my fee. Guess I'll